Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're doing a model preview tour of the Segan floor plan. That's part of the executive line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Segan is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage home. You're going to get just over 2,500 square foot. Let's run inside and take a look at this beautiful layout. So as we enter this home, directly to my left is a flex area that you get with the Segan right up front here. So it makes a great office or secondary living space. And just past the flex room, you have a hallway with a coat closet, and we're gonna have a half bath downstairs. Now just off the hallway here, you have under stair storage. So this right here gives you this large storage area directly underneath where the stairwell is. And that leads us to our stairwell on the left. We're going to hold off on the second floor for now and focus on the first. So to the right, this is where we have the entry to your 2-car garage and your indoor laundry space with plenty of room for additional shelving and or cabinetry. And then this opens up into a nice great room design with your kitchen overlooking your living spaces. Have a nice corner pantry. Right over here would be more of your dedicated dining space, and then this overlooks your great room. Now, off to the side of the great room is your owner's retreat. So really nice size space here, plenty of room for a king size bed. And then we have the owner's bath with the dual sinks. You have the private water closet right here, your glass enclosed shower, and then this enormous closet right here. One last thing, you also do have a linen closet right there. Now, on the exterior space, you do have this nice covered lanai, and this home here shows an example of what one of the pools could look like if you chose to have a pool with your home. So nice use of the outdoor space and plenty of room under truss with the Segan. Last but not least, we're gonna head upstairs and take a look at the 3 bedrooms that we're gonna have at the top of the stairwell here. And you're also gonna have a small loft area right here at the top of the stairs. So you have this nice open space here. Another flex area. Now we have our guest bath here upstairs with the combination tub and shower, the commode and the singular sink. You've got a linen closet right here. And then this is the first of 3 guest bedrooms. This one features a dual door for the closet. And then this guest bedroom here has a walk-in closet. And then the last guest bedroom is also going to have a walk-in style closet as well. All right, folks, so this is the Segan floor plan. If you're interested in this home or one of the other floor plans that you can find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. So for Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we really appreciate you watching.